Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Bulbul Hossain Shubho, Assistant Professor Community Medicine in Bosundhara Ad-Din Medical College. Today, I am going to deliver a presentation on anthrax. Firstly, we have to know what is anthrax. Anthrax is a bacterial disease of wild or domestic animals transmitted to man caused by Bacillus anthracis. Epidemiology of anthrax. Anthrax is occurred by worldwide. High risk group for anthrax. Workers handling skin, wool, hair, bony products. Agriculture workers. Bacillus anthracis is a gram-positive rod facultative anaerobes where centrally located endospores. Now, agent of anthrax is Bacillus anthracis. Reservoir is spore in soil and processed skin. Mode of transmission by contact with tissue of animal dying of diseases like cattle, sheep, goat, horse, pigs and etc. By biting of flies who is fed on such animal. Contaminated hair, wool, product made from them just like brushes, drum. From soil by inhalation of spore, ingestion of contaminated undercooked meal, accidental by laboratory workers. Clinical feature for anthrax: cutaneous, necrotic cutaneous ulcer, pulmonary, acute respiratory distress. Here we will find cyanosis, dyspnea, hemoptysis, fever, shock and death by 2 to 3 days. Intestinal, which is rare, fever, septicemia and death. Oropharyngeal, gross edema of neck, swelling of lymph nodes. Types of anthrax. Basically, anthrax are 3 types: cutaneous anthrax, inhalational anthrax and ingestion anthrax. Inhalation anthrax deadly usually result 2 to 3 days after onset of symptoms. This is most lethal type of anthrax. Incubation time by 1 week, that means 1 to 7 days. The case fatality rate after 2 days of infection. If untreated, that is 97%, with antimicrobial therapy, that is 75%. Diagnosis: by blood and discharge, detection of anthrax bacilli by microscopy, culture and animal inoculation. ELISA. Control measure: enforcement of health measure in related industries, education of people regarding mode of transmission, vaccination of animals, vaccination of high risk group, notification, disinfection of contaminated articles and etc. Now, specific benefits of using anthrax as biological weapon. This is highly lethal of inhalation anthrax. Previously, we have noted that. Inhalation anthrax, about 1000 spores can causes pulmonary anthrax. If untreated on this condition, it is lethal by 95% in 48 hours. Biological weapon and anthrax. Here has a scenario. In 1940, Britain tested anthrax on Scottish Island. In 1979, Russia killed 68 by anthrax accident. In 1995, United States says 17 countries have biological weapon. In 1995, tourist group in Japan released sarin and anthrax. In 2001, anthrax alert in USA and Kenya. Here, 100 kg of anthrax is 1 megaton atomic bomb. We know here top dangerous biological weapons are smallpox, anthrax, plague, tularemia, Ebola hemorrhagic fever, rice blast, rinderpest, botulinum toxin, Nipah virus, Chimera virus and coronavirus. Thank you. Today I am going to be finished my today's topics. I will come with another new topics next time. Thank you.